Okay, this isn't going to be the swishiest video or probably the neatest video I've done. It's more just to fill you in. There was a bit of an incident last night where I was coming along a road, some cars overtook in front of me, and the car in front of me had to stop suddenly because they were coming head on, and I saw the ABS lights, I saw everything. I tried to stop. I got down to about 20, maybe 25, 30. But it wasn't slow enough. I was still going to the back of the car in front. So I did the only thing I thought I could do, which was make for about a foot bank that led to a field. And yeah, drove the bike into the field. When I got into the field, the bike started flipping and rolling. I was thrown from the bike. There's quite a lot of damage to the bike, but I'll show that to you now. Anyway, as I say, it won't be the best video, but thanks for sticking with me. Okay, so as you can see, the front fairing has taken quite a battering. The bike actually managed to flip over, so all of this was in contact with the ground. Yeah, it's really quite banged up. The mirror's even bent over. The forks may be bent. The wheel also may be buckled. The handlebars are definitely bent. The fairing is actually in contact with that dash panel there because there was such an impact there. The headlights are probably done for. The top box is very, very loose, so that's a problem to deal with. Let's just say we've got bits of fairing hanging off there. Probably quite a lot left in the field, if I'm honest. We'll just have to see what the damage is and if we can repair it indeed. It's probably going to be quite a long road back to getting this bike workable again, but it is my bike. It's taken me 21,000 miles to Mongolia and back, and so I kind of want to keep it, as well as I've had this bike since pretty much it was new. Admittedly, it had only done 5,000 miles in the 10 years before I owned it, but ever since then I've owned it for 9 years now, and it's become like a part of me almost. So it'd be pretty sad to see it go. So I'm going to put in the hard work and see if we can get this back together and working. It's going to be an interesting project, one I didn't see coming, but all the same, we're going to make this work.